Hi everyone. You may be wondering how our food gets transported to our stomach. Well, we'll answer that question today. The human esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that runs behind your trachea and heart. The organ is part of the digestive system. The esophagus is located in the center of the chest in an area called the mediastinum. The esophagus carries foods and liquids from your mouth to the stomach. Did you know that the average adult esophagus is about 25.4 centimeters to 33.02 centimeters long? In inches, it's 10 inches to 13 inches long. There are three sections in the esophagus which are called the cervical, thoracic, and abdominal. The cervical helps for the neck's flexibility and the head's motion. Small holes in the cervical make a passageway for vertebral arteries to carry blood to the brain. The cervical is located under the skull and over the thoracic. The thoracic helps protect the heart and lungs. It also supports the body's torso and chest area. The thoracic is an attachment area for the rib bones except the bottom two. The thoracic is located from the bottom of the neck and above the abdomen. The abdominal allows movement and holds organs in place. The abdominal is located between the chest and the pelvis. Well, you may be still wondering, how does the esophagus work? I'll answer that question for you right now. When you swallow food, it first enters your mouth, then your pharynx. At the beginning of the esophagus, there's a ring-shaped muscle called the upper esophageal sphincter. This dilates to permit the swallowed substance to enter your esophagus. A series of muscle contractions called the peristalsis helps push the food down. When the food or liquid comes close to your stomach, the lower esophageal sphincter dilates to allow food to enter your stomach. The purpose and importance of the esophagus. The purpose of the esophagus is to carry foods and liquids from your mouth to your stomach. The peristalsis, which is a series of muscle contractions, is reversed in the esophagus when you vomit to forcefully remove toxic or pathogen-laden food from the body. Now let's talk about some of the diseases that affect the esophagus. So the first disease we have is esophagitis. This is the inflammation of the esophagus. Next, we have achalasia. This is a rare disorder that makes it difficult for food or liquid to pass through the esophagus. The third disease we have is Barrett's esophagus. This is a condition in which the flat pig lining of the esophagus gets damaged by stomach acids. Esophageal cancer is a disease where cancer cells form in the tissues of the esophagus. Finally, we have gastroesophageal reflux disease. This happens when the stomach acids frequently flow back into the esophagus. So now we heard some of the diseases, but let's see how to keep the esophagus healthy. We should eat smaller meals, avoid caffeine, alcohol, carbonated beverages, and quit smoking.
Thank you for learning about the esophagus with us. Bye-bye! Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.